Welcome back, KASPA traders, lovers, investors. Today we talk KASPA KAS, and we keep you posted on the recent magnificent bounces happening. People are going mad. We're gonna keep you level-headed because these clowns will make you lose all your money that you have left, all the money for pickles, pickpocket money that you have left from the KASPA wreckage, the wrecked city. They will take even that from you if you listen to these clowns on X or on YouTube. So we here to keep you level-headed on the KASPA nonsense, to tell you exactly, what you should avoid doing for sure. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Look, KASPA is still very bearish, okay? Below the 50-week MA, bearish. There is nothing to be excited. The 50-week MA is sloping down. That's a bear market. That's a bear market, okay? KASPA is in a bear market. If you buy anything in a bear market, expect to get wrecked, okay? The only people that maybe make some money, but again, they get wrecked much more than making money in a bear market. Don't believe these clowns. Are the ones that, trying to catch the bounce, okay? They're trying to catch the bounce, but, these people been trying to catch bounces all the way since, last summer, and all their bounces failed and they're out liquidated, okay? So the ones that have any money left, they're just clowns, okay? Clowns, baboons. Now, expect every bounce to be sold, okay? This is a bear market, okay? You had a bounce, sold, resistance. You had a bounce, sold, puked all the way to below 1 cent. And then it bounced and it continued puking, okay? There is nothing to be excited about in KASPA if you look into long. If you look into short, maybe short the rally, okay? But long, absolute dog shit, you're gonna lose everything. Much better if you like KASPA, if you want to invest in KASPA, just wait for it to collapse further, because this, you can see the angle here. You can see the angle. You don't want to buy when the angle of the chart is like that, of the price action is like that. You want to buy when the angle is like that, okay? Sideways, and then it's starting to go up. After many months sideways or weeks sideways. Now, it's a big no-no, okay, for investors. A big no-no. If you buy here as an investor, you're not an investor, you're a gambler baboon. That's what you are, a baboon, okay? That you need to be locked in the zoo, because this is not an investing. That's not how you invest. That's how you get cooked. Now, let's look on the daily. Okay, now it's coming up to the 50-day MA. It's bouncing. It can even go all the way up to the 200-day, to the 8 cent. Even though I doubt it, I highly doubt it, man. But even if it's gonna go up on the way here, man, you have tons of resistance, tons, monster resistance here. For the KASPA to start a bull market, you gotta understand, a new bull market, you gotta go through an accumulation period that usually take multiple months, okay? So don't think you're gonna miss the next KASPA bull run if you're watching the price, let's say every day or every week. You're not gonna miss it. You're not gonna miss it, because the accumulation range will be clear. At the moment, there is no accumulation range. It's just going to wrecked city, and it's bouncing on the way down. That's why they call it dead cat bounce, because even a dead cat, if you're gonna throw it from the top of the building, it's gonna bounce a little bit, but it's a dead cat bounce. It's not a live cat bounce. You get me? That's a bear market. Okay, so really, nothing to be excited. We'll keep you posted. Let's look on the 2-week, okay? We just closed a 2-week candle for KASPA. Look, it could be a local low here. I'm not saying it's not. It could be a local low. It might be even a significant low. But the risks are very, very high. The risks are very, very high to go long here. The downside risk is much outweigh the upside potential. Crappy potential, let's say. And it's cooked. Now look on the momentum. You don't want to touch crap toes when the stochastic RSI on the 2-week is down. You need a cross up on the stochastic RSI of both of the lines up into the blue box. You can see here you had a cross and it still failed. Why it failed? It's a bear market. It's a bear market, sir. Bear market. Okay? Bear market, you don't buy. You wait for the bear to finish. Then you long, you invest. If you're an investor, if you're a trader like myself, you short it. You just short it. Me personally, I'm not shorting KASPA because it's not setting up nicely for a short. I have much better, lower risks of shorts that are printed. So for me, I'm just watching it. I'm not trading it. I'm waiting for the accumulation to go long. At the moment, it is rubbish to me. I'm not buying this garbage. Also, you want to look on the monthly stochastic for a cross up. You see, you will not get a new bull market on KASPA if the stochastic monthly will not cross up above the 20, okay? If it will not cross up, there is nothing you can do. You can cry for your mommy, you can punch your sister, you can go outside to the street and naked, whatever. Nothing you're gonna do will affect the market, okay? All you can do, just wait it out. Wait it out. Stop with all the nonsense. Get yourself Bitunix account. Link below will change your life. Learn shorting. Learn shorting. Don't waste your time in a bear market. Long it unless you see a clear market bottom, local major market bottom for Bitcoin. Then you want to think of longing. But again, it's going to be temporary. It's going to be a little bounce, maybe couple. We're going to get a bear market rally probably at some point once Bitcoin will form a major bottom. Maybe this month, maybe probably next month or 2 months or 3 months. You're going to get a major market bottom. Then you want to long the shit coins, you know, but still take your profit because you're going to long them. Maybe they're going to bounce hard 1 month, 2 months, and that's it. Bitcoin will roll over, continue to the next leg down of the bear market. That's how bear market unfolds in the past. So you want to trade it, okay? You don't want to be investing. So become a trader, flip your mindset to trader, long the bear market rallies and short the rallies. Short the rallies and short the breakdowns. Use Bitunix, the best exchange to trade crypto by far. By the way, we have an amazing webinar. It's happening tomorrow live, but you're gonna have the recording if you cannot attempt it. You have amazing discount with a coupon below on the upcoming bear market bootcamp. It will teach you how to trade in a bear market, how to short, how to think like a short seller. This is a complete different mindset. Buy the dip, not gonna work for you in a bear market. It will cook you and eat you alive. You're gonna quit crypto, you're gonna rage quit. You will see. Everybody you know, all the clowns that are bullish now, they're still bullish. Couple of months time, they're gonna be cooked, crashed. They're gonna declare their quitness. They're gonna quit. They're gonna throw in the towel. And you're gonna see it happen every bear. Now, why? Because they're using strategies, baboon strategies, that worked for them in a bull market. When everything go up, the market saved them. But when everything going down, there is nothing. No one will save them, man. No one. No one. Everything gonna collapse to zero. Now you have two choices. Or you sit it out, wait 12 months for Bitcoin to bottom, probably next end of the year quarter, let's say last quarter of 2026. Speculation only, not a financial advice. Or short the bear. Go with the trend. This bootcamp will prepare you for the bear market, will teach you a skill for life. It's on an exclusive offer, insane discount with the coupon below. Check it out. See you in the next video. Cheers.